My brave people of Ethel, today, I stand before you not merely as your princess, but as a servant of this great land we call home. From the emerald valleys of Ellerith to the crystalline shores of the Valan Sea, Ethel has always been a realm of beauty, unity, and strength. Yet now, shadows rise on our borders, and the call to defend all that we hold dear has never been more urgent. The Orkish tribes gather in the east, their drums of war echoing across our lands. They seek to tear down our cities, despoil our fields, and shatter the harmony that has bound us together for generations. But hear me now. Ethel is no easy prize to claim. Our ancestors forged this kingdom with their blood and courage, and we shall not falter in the face of this threat. This battle is not merely one of swords and shields. It is a battle for our very way of life, for the songs sung by our bards, for the knowledge preserved in our ancient libraries, for the laughter of our children playing in the market squares. If we yield, these treasures will be lost, not just to us, but to all who come after us. Yet, let us not fall into despair, for the spirit of Ethel is unbreakable. Look to your sides, and you will see not strangers, but family. Farmers who will defend their crops with pitchforks if need be. Blacksmiths who will forge weapons to arm the brave. Rangers who know every shadow and path in our forests. And warriors whose hearts burn with the fire of loyalty. We are not alone in this fight. The spirits of our ancestors stand with us, watching from the stars above. Their courage flows through our veins, their wisdom guiding our hands. Together, we are more than a kingdom. We are an unyielding force. As your princess, I will not stand behind you. I will stand beside you. I will ride into battle with you. I will fight with the same resolve as every soldier, every villager, every soul committed to protecting our home. My sword will rise alongside yours, and my shield will guard those who cannot bear their own. Let the Orkish tribes hear us and tremble. Let them know that Ethel will not be conquered, that our will is as strong as the mountains that cradle our land. Let them see that for every step they take into our realm, they will be met with resistance as fierce and unrelenting as the storms of winter. Raise your banners high, my people. Let the wind carry the sigil of Ethel to every corner of this land, a beacon of hope and defiance. This is our moment to show the world that Ethel does not cower in the face of darkness. It shines brighter. Together, we will prevail. For Ethel, for honor, for the future. May the stars guide us, and may our courage never waver.